As a wedding photographer, have you ever sent your website or portfolio to your clients and they never replied to you? The thing is, it's not about your photos, it's because there's too many of them, structured in an unclear way for them to actually understand what's going on. And in this video, I'm going to go over these simple steps you can implement right now and get more bookings. When I first started building websites for wedding photographers, I thought more was better. Just show everything, every page, every gallery, every image. Then what I realized was couples don't want more, they actually want clarity. And that's the reason I built a system that helps you book more clients. The thing is, most photographers try to prove themselves with big galleries and huge websites that barely load. And that literally slows things down. And that's the reason couples actually leave. It's not because you're not good enough, it's just you're overwhelming them with so much information. So I'm gonna give you a simple framework I'm using on mostly all my clients and all my galleries, and that is the rule of 12. So instead of using all your photos from your wedding photography, just use the best ones. That means anything from 8 to 12. That's the most I'd use on one gallery per wedding or event. So having more photos usually makes it more forgettable. There's so many decisions they have to take. And when you only have the best photos and a small percentage of them showing, they become more memorable and they can relate to them later when they think about you as well. If you think about it, like a Michelin chef, he doesn't bring the whole kitchen when he tries to serve you something. That is literally what your website should do as well. And that's what we do as well. We design sites that plate your work perfectly for your clients. So usually once you start implementing this into your own galleries, into your portfolios and website, you're going to see a quick shift from clients not booking or like not replying. And you'll get more messages. Of course, your photos need to be good as well. Like I'm already setting that up. Like you already have good photos out, hopefully. And also clients might thank you for making it more simple for them to just see the best photos. And suddenly you actually look like an expert and not like just a hobbyist. Because the thing is, you don't need to show more. You just need to show better. And that's the main goal and the main point I'm trying to get across with this video. Because imagine this, with every gallery you send to your clients, with every photo set, you just get more replies. And then all of a sudden, your website actually feels like a portfolio and not just like a puzzle for the client to try and figure out. This way, couples actually know you're the right choice even before they meet you. And the best part about this is you don't even have to fight Google on it. And you don't have to have this amazing DIY templates that's going to show everything perfectly. Which obviously they don't, because we know how builders work these days. So if you have galleries that have more photos than 8 to 12, just go and try and structure them accordingly, and I hope you get better results in the future as well. Also, if you're a wedding photographer and you're making more than 2K per wedding and you actually want a website that converts, that's what we built, the fastest and the best sites that rank on Google, designed especially for wedding photographers. But here's the thing, because I work one-on-one with every photographer, I can only book 2 clients per month in addition to the ones I already have. So if you want to work with me, I'll leave a link in the description and you can check out, see if there's any spots available this month.